Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and if you have a vehicle ceramic coated, it's good to keep it up to date with a ceramic boost, and that is what we're gonna do here. So this is by the company Expel. This is Ceramic Boost, and it is a spray and wipe shine, very easy to use. You do not want to let it dry in the vehicle, and you want the vehicle to not be hot, so you would not have the vehicle just running, or you don't want to do this in the sun. This is something that you would do preferably in the shade, cold vehicle, after it's been washed, dusted, there ain't nothing on it. Easy to use. All you do is you just do like small panels at a time. You spray it on, take a clean microfiber towel. You kind of like buff it in, if you will. You kind of wipe it all the way around. And then while it's still kind of damp, you go back with a clean microfiber towel and you buff it dry. And it's as easy as that. We'll kind of make sure that the current ceramic coating that is on the vehicle still keeps the properties associated with ceramic, where it kind of beads water, dust, and all those different things. Like hydrophobic, I think is what it's called. This is how easy is it to use. Just do one panel at a time, just so you can kind of manage it. I always like to work right up to the seam. This vehicle actually even has a PPF on it, so paint protection film on it that's got ceramic coat on top of that, which really keeps the deep red color of this particular vehicle quite deep, quite clean, and it just stays clean. I mean, you might be thinking, well, it looks just as bright and red as before. Yes, I know. But if it is out and it does get any kind of water on it, which it rarely does, or when it's being stored, the dust comes off even easier. Very easy to use. Ceramic Boost by Excel. Hope that helps.